Okay, so as usual, I didn't have the camera going when I did a first run. I've got 5 volts here, just a little, where am I? 5-volt nickel batteries here, powering the drivers, and my little Arduino board. Not sure if you can actually hear it running, or even see it running. Yeah, you can see the shaft going back here. All right. This is 3-phase brushless DC motor, and you can see it starting by itself. Okay, now then, let's go with the smoke. What I need, I don't have the FET drivers incorporated into this build. The FETs are run straight from the Arduino here, so I don't think that it's a good idea to have it running without the FET drivers, and I do not, this isn't a very good connection on this. Okay, so this is 10 volts, and we're going to, oh yeah, you can tell immediately the difference in the power. Nothing seems to be smoking yet. Okay, so now then, what happens usually that I do to cause everything to smoke is going to, these are lithium ion, 1000 milliamps, so that's 1 amp. So that's only 1 amp. Those nickel cadmium batteries are probably 2 amp. Yeah, see it says, oops, it says right there 2 amps. Okay, so this is only 1 amp, but this is 12 volts. And I always tend to smoke something when I use these batteries. Oh, look at that, they really start up good. And it is running really nicely. This is the most success I've had, and I don't understand why. Screaming Eagles, whatever that means. So this is my 3D printed brushless DC motor. Let's see if anything's on fire here. Usually there's one of them that burns the crap out of me, but nothing. Oh, they feel so good. I'm so happy. And no smoke from the batteries. Oops. Okay, so now I have a working 3-phase controller circuit here. Hulls, you see the hull sticking out here? Maybe, maybe not. All the hulls sticking out here. So this is some serious progress. I think it's been, I calculated or saw that it was over a year since I made a video about the motor. So I've been mucking around with the pulse motor and having really bizarre, indifferent success. I was smoking things, burning things up. But this was my first run with this 3-phase setup here. So real happy to see something working and not smoking. And not even getting hot. I think I'm going to incorporate FET drivers next, and see how it goes from there. So very happy.